Salut YouTube, bienvenue pour cette nouvelle vidéo. Première fois qu'on recorde avec cette douce barbe bien taillée, je crois. On est parti pour le deuxième épisode de Batman. J'ai trop hâte de voir à quoi ça ressemble. Full découverte, on est au taquet. Des bisous Téliam, bien sûr, également en lurk sur le chat. Des bisous à tous ceux qui sont en lurk sur le chat, bien sûr, twitch.tv/MonsieurIdan. C'est ton soleil, c'était sûr. N'hésitez pas. Allez, on est parti. C'est y part. Batman derrière le voile. Voici le synopsis. Au risque que son identité soit révélée, Bruce doit agir en compagnie d'un nouvel acteur de premier plan à Gotham. On a vu, c'était Monsieur Amanda Waller. Une conspiration criminelle qui menace la ville tout entière se trame dans la pénombre. Waouh. On se rappelle, John Doe voulait qu'on rencontre ses amis. Est-ce que c'est ses amis? On verra bien. C'est parti. J'ai peur. Précédemment, dans Batman. C'est mieux avec la grosse voix.
Précédemment, dans Batman.
A madman from Gotham's past returned to terrorize my city. He drew me into his twisted game, striking at the things I hold most dear. But I survived his deadly traps. I emerged the victor. But the cost was too great. Lucius Fox is dead.
Ah oui, c'est vrai, j'avais oublié ça. Effectivement.
And with him the only lead I had to taking down the greatest danger Gotham has ever faced. And the person best equipped to help me is a threat to my deepest secret.
The Riddler was going to be my way in, once we captured him alive. But now I have you to lean on. A man who lives on both sides of the line, and knows exactly when to cross it. Yes, you and I will be working together very closely. Bruce Wayne.
Kezako?
First thing you need to know, I can keep your secret. And despite what you did, going behind my back to Mori, I will continue to keep it. No reports, nothing.
On se rappelle, on était au taquet derrière Gordon, hein, et pas elle du coup.
To deal with the present threat, though, I need both of you. The man inside and outside the mask. You have to understand, I'm not the enemy here. It may seem that way right now, but I'm not.
If that's true, then reinstate Gordon as commissioner.
You really are loyal to that stubborn old mule, aren't you? I'll tell you.
Gordon, c'est le bro, hein.
Play nice with me now, and when this is all over, I'll make things right with Gordon. When Riddler's friends hear he's dead, they ain't gonna just carrying on. They might get sloppy. They might want revenge, or they might simply accelerate their plans. I'm gonna need eyes everywhere in Gotham. A man like Bruce Wayne, with all his influence and resources, can go places Batman can't. You understand what I'm saying, don't you? Your public persona could be a great help to us here. Maybe even as much as Batman in certain situations.
I understand. You think I work for you.
You're not working for me. We're working together. After all, we both want the same thing. Am I right?
Petite musique jazzy. Ah!
What the hell?
Looks like the whole city's under attack.
We've got a report of a raid on the Gotham PD arsenal. If those bastards get their hands on our weapons...
This is coordinated. It's Riddler's gang. It has to be.
Alors PD c'est Police Department, hein.
Agreed.
S'il vous plaît.
Emergency services is already pushed to the limit.
Then we'll have to redeploy patrol officers to defend the arsenal.
Et Maxime,
Any men, Gordon. I can handle the arsenal call.
ça va tranquille?
Let's move, people. This is what we trained for.
There's been an attack in the financial district.
Biotech company on the west side is under siege.
Elle est trop bien la musique. Elle est beaucoup trop bien. C'est trop bien la musique. Elle est en train de ouf, ouais. Allez, c'est y part. Il y a des meurtres, il y a du sang partout. Ça commence bien.
What more do you want with me? Shut it.
You got what you came for. You don't need me.
Well, you better hope that's not true. I'll live your usefulness and the boss will make a pretzel out of your...
Ah, mais on le défonce. Un petit peu, ouais. Je vais te tuer.
How many are there?
I don't know.
Ah non.
10 or 12, maybe? The really big one, he made me give him the keys to the armored transport vehicles. I didn't want to, I swear.
Le gros, ça doit être Bane. Je suis sûr c'est Bane.
Get out of here.
On va se taper Bane, quel enfer.
Thank you.
Celui qui a cassé le dos de la chauve-souris. Pour ceux qui ont vu les comics un peu.
Hey, you about done?
Yeah, just about.
The Batman. Boss, we
Rien à
got
foutre, moi.
company.
Rien à foutre, j'ai défonce moi. Ah, il y a des gens qui volent comme ça. Pourquoi pas? Oui, donc c'est Bane, on est d'accord. Il a dit gros monsieur.
Are you?
A nightmare. Much like yourself.
Je suis El Muchachos,
You can call
le
me
catcheur mexicain de Lucha Libre. Ah non. Je suis Rey Mysterio.
A man cannot win a war alone.
Ah mais c'est ça, ils lui ont vraiment donné un accent mexicain? Au secours.
You fight well, but you fight alone. You will die alone.
Bane Pépito de Belin, quoi. Attends, on est d'accord, depuis tout à l'heure, ils peuvent tirer, non? Depuis tout à l'heure, il le regarde comme ça avec le gun, ils peuvent lui mettre 3 balles. Easy.
I can see why Riddler wanted to be the one to kill you.
Riddler is dead.
He's dead.
Riddler?
You should be worrying about yourself.
I promised my men a hell of a battle if ever I faced you. And I'd hate to disappoint them. Oh, I haven't faced a true warrior since I left Peña Duro prison.
Allez, Abzu! Tout le monde peut kicker! Ah non.
Save your strength, man. This one is mine.
La musique est vraiment trop cool. Ils ont uppé leur game. Enfin, ça y est, le vaccin pour la Covid. C'est AstraZeneca, ça. Ça fait peur, AstraZeneca. Hein. Oh, Hooligan Lana! C'est Spoutnik, lui. Oh, le spire!
I will give you a peaceful death. If you take it. this pain you're...
Gros, énorme clin d'œil au comique. Ah non. Alors, il a brisé le dos de Batman dans la même position dans le comic book. C'est-à-dire qu'il le tenait comme ça en l'air et paf, il l'a écrasé sur son genou, quoi. Bon, même dans le film Dark Knight Rises aussi. Gros clin d'œil. Il a pris cher. Hein.
Did you get him? There's nothing to fear, my friend. Keep your eyes open. Don't let anyone funny into the warehouse.
Don't worry, we'll take the back way by the docks.
Safe travels, my friends.
Ah. Attends, j'en profite pour faire une petite pause. Enfin, 2 secondes, ça va prendre 2 petites secondes, hein, ne vous inquiétez pas. C'est juste pour faire en sorte de pouvoir baisser le son dans mes oreilles, parce que vu que vous avez tout à fond, moi, autant vous dire que ça me déglingue les oreilles là, depuis tout à l'heure. Donc voilà. Ça fait du bien. Du coup, vous voulez qu'on appelle qui? Parce que nous, on fait confiance à fond à Gordon. Hein. Gordon, c'est le sang. Mais Waller, elle a envie un peu d'être dans nos petits papiers. Donc qu'est-ce qu'on fait? On appelle Waller ou on appelle Gordon pour de l'aide? Est-ce qu'on montre genre à Waller qu'on est prêt un peu à coopérer et pas faire des trucs dans son dos, quoi? Peut-être. Là, en vrai, moi j'aurais choisi Waller, je pense. J'adore Gordon. Je suis très fan de Gordon. C'est mon sauce, hein, c'est mon poteau. Mais en vrai, je pense que j'aurais pris quand même. J'aurais pris Waller. Parce que faut peut-être lui montrer qu'on veut bosser ensemble, quoi. Donc voilà, vous êtes plus pour Gordon sur le chat, hein. Ou alors elle a plus de ressources. Oui, c'est vrai que Gordon, il va nous aider. Alors Gordon, il peut nous aider peut-être à nous sortir du truc et tout, je sais pas. En vrai, je sais pas trop. Je vais choisir Gordon, mais logiquement, au niveau professionnel, il faut choisir Waller. Bah, surtout qu'on vient d'être pote avec elle, mais je suis sûr que Gordon il va mal le prendre. Après, Gordon, s'il le prend mal, c'est un petit connard quand même, parce qu'on a été pote avec lui pendant tout le jeu, pendant toute la première mission, enfin pendant tout le premier épisode. Écoutez, je vais prendre Waller. Ça me saoule. Je suis sûr que Waller c'est une connasse. Genre qu'elle est pas. Elle veut nous la mettre à l'envers, c'est quasiment sûr, c'est le personnage en lui-même, donc. Non, je vais appeler Gordon. Gordon connaît la ville mieux que quiconque, le GCPD peut retrouver rapidement les armes volées, mais Waller se sentira méprisé. Ok. Mais Gordon se sentira trahi si je ne l'informe pas. Dans les 2 cas, je suis baisé, quoi. J'ai l'habitude. Non, bah je vais appeler... On va pas passer 500 ans dessus. Hein. Alors. Pierre, feuille, ciseaux. Pierre, feuille, ciseaux. Pierre, feuille, ciseaux. Ah, c'est Waller qui a gagné. C'est chier. Dommage.
This is Waller. Batman? Hello?
Waller. Help. Help is on the way.
Pour que Batman soit en PLS, belle vie. Hein. The Enemy Within, Telltale Series.
Batman.
Batman! Say something if you can hear me.
Ouais, je suis là, ouais. Allô? Over here.
C'est celle qu'on a sauvée, celle-là.
Batman! I found him!
We're going to have to unpin him. Batman, I'm gonna need your help to push this thing off you.
Ah, tu veux s'emballer un Mars aussi? Tu crois que j'essaie à foutre?
The mechanic who was taken hostage. Where is he?
He didn't make it.
Ah merde.
I'm sorry.
Non, rappelez Gordon, il serait venu plus vite. Hein.
Called himself Bane. His crew loaded the weapons onto the APCs and took them to a warehouse.
I really do appreciate you reaching out to me about this. Listen, you really need to pull yourself together because the threat we're facing is worse than I thought. While you were here, a gang of masked men hit a biotech manufacturer.
Super.
Perf slipped right through our damn fingers.
Vous savez rien en fait.
Every single one of them.
Welcome to Gotham, Director.
Chef, petit sarcasme. Hein. Bravo pour le level up gâterie. Incroyable. Alors, je mets pas tout le temps la cam hein, pour que moi aussi je sois à fond dans l'histoire.
Must all be members of Riddler's gang. I need to get back to the Batcave. Figure out how this all fits together.
As soon as my team finishes cleaning up that biotech facility, I'll
ça, pendant que tu dormais, genre j'ai que ça à foutre quoi.
It's a sign our new partnership is off to a good start. You're on my team now, and I take good care of my people.
Le côté la ombre sur le mur qui se répercute sur Batman et tout. Un truc chelou avec ça.
I wanted to thank you properly for saving my life. I wouldn't be here without you.
Je suis désolé pour votre partenaire.
I'm sorry I wasn't able to rescue your partner.
I know you did everything you could have to save Blake.
Bon, en vrai, je l'ai un peu laissé se découper, mais.
You were right to trust the director to help with this. Working with Waller will be the fastest way to stop these murderers before anyone else gets hurt. Consider that. You should go take care of yourself.
Je vais lui faire à l'envers, mais bien sûr, bah c'est Waller. Après, le personnage, il est connu pour ça, donc. Après, tu me diras, Lucius Fox qui meurt, quand même, c'est... J'ai rarement vu ça, donc c'est une bonne... Déjà, c'est un bon truc. Mais Waller qui met à l'envers, évidemment. Derrière le voile.
Bruce!
Salut Musée.
I'm fine.
Comment ça va?
You are not fine, Bruce.
Le mec, il a pas l'air en forme.
You were nearly killed tonight.
Ouais, on m'a failli me casser. Ça fait.
Waiting for you to respond. They were the worst of my life. I didn't know if you were alive or dead, or if I would ever see you again.
I'm so sorry to put you through that, Al.
On se rappelle qu'Alfred, il a aussi des petits problèmes de santé. Hein. Il a eu un petit problème de tremblement et tout là dans le premier épisode. Fait bien flipper celui-là aussi. Hein.
We already lost Lucius. I couldn't bear losing you too. We can talk about all this later.
Ah bah oui, mais c'est ça aussi de réouvrir les terrasses. Il y a Musette qui dit qu'elle a pris un coup de soleil en déjeunant en terrasse. En même temps, après la réouverture, c'est compliqué. Hein. Rebonjour. Très mystérieux. Et c'est drôle parce qu'ils ont pris Bane, ils lui ont mis un accent mexicain avec une moustache, tu sais, pour justifier le fait qu'il porte un masque.
Bane is still on the loose, with enough guns to arm a small.
Il a l'air en forme, hein, Bruce.
I understand. The man died for you tonight, Bruce, trying to save you from that monstrosity.
C'est vrai.
Too many have died in too short a time.
Elle dit que c'est de ma faute?
The cost of this war, it just continues to rise.
It's gonna get a lot worse before it gets better. Bane is running free out there. He's just getting started.
That's what frightens me, Bruce. We've never seen this kind of destructive power before.
Waller was right about one thing. Riddler was just a small part of a larger threat. Let's begin with the dart I pulled from his neck.
Got it?
Je veux dire, c'est rare que dans les comic books, ils fassent en sorte de tuer les personnages, genre que Lucius Fox il soit mort, que la Riddler soit mort. Enfin, tu sens que ils osent faire des trucs. Après, c'est parce que ça reste dans un comic book et ils peuvent se permettre ce genre de choses, quoi. Mais c'est intéressant, je trouve.
Drugs that are lethal when combined.
Who could have come up with such a concoction?
And did the same person pull the trigger?
Bane's attack was one of 3 tonight, all at the same time.
Let's bring him up. Get an assessment of the...
Ah oui, non mais le labo c'est sûr et certain. Vu la gueule, vu la glace et tout, oui, c'est Mr. Freeze. C'est Victor Victor Freeze, c'est ça, Victor Fries. Ça dépend comment il l'appelle, des fois il l'appelle Fries, des fois il l'appelle Freeze. D'ailleurs, il y a un... Je sais plus quel comic j'ai lu. Je crois que c'est Batman Sub-Zero, un truc comme ça. Ou je sais plus lequel c'était que j'ai dû traduire un jour. On m'a demandé de traduire un Batman. Où c'est Mr. Freeze et son ancêtre pendant la guerre 45, tout ça. Et il était justement l'ancêtre... Enfin, c'est Freeze lui-même qui était du coup le fils d'un mec qui avait bossé pour créer des armes et tout. Pour la Seconde Guerre mondiale. C'était hyper intéressant. Je crois que c'était Batman Victor Fries ou un truc comme ça, ou juste Victor Fries, le nom du comic, il faudrait que je le retrouve. C'est intéressant.
Gothcorp Labs, Genetic Research Facility. Where do we even start with?
En fait, ce qui est trop cool avec Batman, c'est que t'as plein de trucs, quoi. T'as plein de trucs qui peuvent être différents.
What was even stolen until all of that melts?
At least 20 dead. Some completely encased in ice.
Others were frozen solid. Some of their limbs shattered as they fled.
Sympa. Bonne ambiance. Bonne ambiance.
Waller's intel shows that the thieves made off with numerous pieces of equipment used in the storage and transportation of...
Est-ce que lui aussi il veut libérer sa femme? Est-ce que c'est Arnold Schwarzenegger? La question se pose.
No IDs on any suspects though.
Ça me donnera envie de remater Batman et Robin, ça, ce truc. Ok, donc il s'est passé un bail dans un labo, c'était moche. Et là, il y a un truc de banque. Ah bah, la voilà. Harley Quinn.
Contents unknown. Over a dozen dead, and even more wounded. Mostly by gunshot, though some victims had their heads smashed in.
Oh, that's barbaric.
Dr. Arlene Quinzel. Salut Chuck, comment va?
Witnesses place Harleen Quinzel at the scene, dressed up as a clown and wielding a mallet.
Don't ask me.
Riddler's friends are as insane and gruesome as he was.
Ça c'est intéressant de les introduire par Riddler du coup. Je trouve ça cool.
All that carnage, all by herself.
I wanna be all by myself anymore. Incroyable. Est-ce que c'était pas un bon début de chanson ça? Quel enfer. On a alerte qui? Non, ça va. Quel enfer. Ah oui, tu veux dire je vais la réveiller? Ouais, c'est possible. Alors, John Doe. Je me suis arrêté. Ah oui, il faut que je fasse avec la boîte Batman.
Excusez-moi. Ah oui. Merde. Ah oui, excusez-moi. Hop, voilà. Je ne suis resté à Arkham que très peu de temps. Mais un patient m'a particulièrement marqué. Je ne sais pas comment il s'appelle, mais je n'oublierai jamais son visage, ni son rire. Il ressemble à un clown effrayant. Il m'a aidé à découvrir la véritable identité de Vicky et à localiser ses réserves de drogue. Mais il a quelque chose chez lui de tellement perturbant que je n'ai pas su me résoudre à lui accorder une faveur. Oui, je n'aurais jamais dû tenir cette promesse, mais l'idée de lui devoir quelque chose me faisait froid dans le dos.
À mon avis, celui qui a tué Riddler la dernière fois, c'était John Doe, précédemment pour m'empêcher de parler. C'est possible. Ça se passe bien avec Kiki? Vous prenez rythme? Première fois qu'elle dort un peu beaucoup aujourd'hui, c'est cool. C'est cool. Alors, on a quoi d'autre? On a l'Asie de l'Arkham. Voilà, ça parle de Lady Arkham, ça on a déjà vu. On a Wayne Enterprise qui a sauté, ça on a déjà vu. Le crime a laissé la mort de machin, Riddler, tout ça, JCPD. El Muchachos numéro 3. C'est Eli Knievel, c'était le mec qui bosse avec l'homme mystère. On a la fille de Lucius Fox qui est trop classe, Tiffany Fox. Ok. Le Gotham Feed. Les citoyens soutiennent l'alliance entre... l'alliance entre la police et Batman. Malgré de nombreuses critiques provenant des élus, la collaboration publique entre le département de police de Gotham City et le justicier masqué, connu sous le nom de Batman, fait l'unanimité au sein de la population de la ville. De manière générale, la criminalité au sein de Gotham City est en baisse par rapport à l'année précédente, avec un taux de criminalité violente plus bas que jamais. On va pas tout lire, mais bon, voilà. Les actions Wayne Enterprise atteignent des valeurs records, insane. Procès encore repoussé, donc Dent, il est tranquille, quoi. Ce connard. Comme le pote de prisonnier modèle. Oui, bah ça, on savait qu'il allait sortir, du coup. Évidemment, Lucius Fox qui est décédé. Une attaque terroriste, ça, on l'a vu. Explosion de la tour Wayne, on a vu. Ah, lui, on l'a mis mal, Maury. 5 choses à savoir sur l'agence. Ah, c'est ça, l'agence... L'agence. Insane.
Money? Biotech? What are they planning?
We won't know until we get to Bane.
I don't mean to cause offense, but you're in no shape to beat the information out of that monster. Or take on his friends, if it comes to it. We've already seen how formidable Bane is on his own. Taking on all of them, that would be suicide in your current condition. There must be another way. Waller might have been right. Some problems might be better solved by Bruce Wayne. Riddler said his friends abandoned him at the Lady of Dublin.
He alluded to the fact that John Doe was one of them.
Putain, la gueule de tous les méchants, là. Belle vie, hein. C'est une sacrée brochette, hein.
Can get you close to the others. He already wants you to meet them. John Doe might be your best chance of getting inside, finding out what they're up to.
You're right. John's my ticket in.
Voilà, on va niquer John.
Right. John might tell me most of what I want to know.
Well, the less you have to mingle with his friends, the better I'll feel about all this.
It'll be dangerous approaching Bane and his people this way. They'll be suspicious of anyone who isn't a proven criminal. You'll have to give the performance of a lifetime to pull the wool over their eyes.
Bruce Wayne has influence, an endless bank account, and as of last year, questionable integrity.
Everything a criminal network looks for in a new recruit.
On va être à la recherche du nouveau criminel. La nouvelle version de la recherche de la nouvelle star. Ça va être sympa. On va braquer des banques, ça va être super. Juste pour être sympa, juste pour être pote avec John Doe, quoi. Quel enfer. John, j'aimerais revenir sur ton offre.
Excellente nouvelle. Ça, c'est la voix du Joker. Je sais pas pourquoi, mais ça me rappelle la voix du Joker.
On se rencontrer.
Je connais un endroit, le Static Deck.
Ok.
The stack deck. That's where he is.
Le Stacked Deck.
I suppose you couldn't wait an hour or two while you rest.
Not a chance.
J'ai pas le temps. Ah oui, il faut qu'on aille le voir au bar. C'est vrai qu'on a vu ça dans la cinématique. Les dépipés.
Batman?
Pas en forme Bruce, hein.
I'll tell you about Batman. He's no hero. The way I see it, he's just a bunch of hired muscle for rich guys. Guys like Bruce Wayne.
Le mec, il a dit les deux en même temps, quoi.
Willie, tell Bruce Wayne how that makes you feel.
Okay. It feels...
No, Willie, he's on your right.
Feels like crap, Wayne.
Preach!
And you're just a huge, colossal, gigantic, spoiled piece of Oh,
I'm going to ignore what I heard. No harm done.
You set me up.
Nonsense. Bruce! Don't mind Willie.
Salut Manjave.
We're just messing with you. You look like you could use a drink.
C'est mon poteau. C'est John Doe.
What about my medicine?
The bottle's under my chair, Willie. You're making wonderful progress. I run a therapy circle here every second Sunday. These people need the expertise that I learned in Arkham.
Ah, quel homme. Un si beau sourire en plus.
So, know-it-all really got what was coming to him.
Authorities are refusing to comment on the death of the mysterious criminal known as Riddler.
Who am I? Who am I? You're a
one
rotting,
murder,
stinking corpse. That's who you are.
John, did you have anything to do with the Riddler's death?
Hated the guy, but geez, Bruce, you really think I'd be capable of cold-blooded murder? After everything you know, you really think I'd do that?
No, of course not. I mean, I know you hated him, but you're no killer. What was I thinking?
I know what you were thinking. But hey, no harm done.
On va être sympa. C'est notre pote. Hein?
I was a little surprised to see you, Bruce.
Lui, c'est bizarre, mais je suis sûr que ça a mal tourné avec lui.
Favor I asked.
Étonnant, hein?
As I recall, you had some reluctance.
I've been thinking, and I changed my mind. I'd like to meet them now.
Really? You seem pretty against it at the church. Why the sudden change of heart? It's odd. Doesn't seem like you.
Well, John, the truth is, hey, I enjoy your company. I like hanging out with you. You always bring good times.
That means a lot to me, Bruce. The world, in fact.
Ça, c'est pas beau, ça.
Look, before we get into that,
On est besto.
clean. Riddler was more connected to my friends than I'd let on at the funeral.
Ah.
Riddler? Really?
Étonnant, ça.
Kind of our leader, but he was just so bad at it and so intolerably annoying. I thought he'd be out of the picture by the time you came around. I should have told you. I didn't want you to think we were all like him.
Et il a quand même dit notre leader, hein.
Secrets between us. Ever again. You have my word. I pinky swear.
Bien sûr qu'on a Pinky Swear avec lui.
Pinky swear.
Friends for life.
Moi.
Let's go meet the guys. I'll let them know we're on our way.
Hey!
Ah, mais putain, ça recommence.
I'm out of medicine. I don't like your face. I think you're bothering my friend John.
Okay, fine. You're right. I'll leave him be.
Go away, Willie.
What are you... Screw you!
Ah?
Nobody disrespects me! No one's making a fool out of Willie! Not even you, John!
Easy, Willie. I can give you money if you just leave John alone.
A bribe? I can't be bought off that easy, Wayne.
You really don't want to do this. Think about your future.
I don't have a future.
Perfect. Elle est sympa sa coque de téléphone. Putain, ça c'est moi devant devant 12 Monkeys. Je regarde avec autant de passion.
Willie had a problem, and we took care of it.
Is he dead?
I said we took care of it.
All right, freak show. I'm calling them.
Come on. Better get out of here.
Hey, handsome. Buy me a drink before you go?
You're following me?
Waller just wants to remind you. Stay on the clown and get to Bane. Whatever happens, keep your eye on the prize. Bruce, be careful.
C'était l'agent.
That was fantastic! Oh, cool! They're expecting you.
Ah, ça y est, on va rencontrer ses copains.
Bruce, one more thing. You can't tell anyone this. This is big. Huge. I think I'm in love.
Allô?
It's an odd feeling. At first, I thought I had some kind
Ah, Darley, je suis sûr.
But, no. I think it's love.
I am so happy, John. You deserve the best.
Yeah, I'd blush if I could.
So mysterious. You at least gotta tell me your name.
She'll want to introduce herself, but if you could please help me look good in front of her, I'd appreciate it. Come on.
En vrai, je trouve ça trop cool, le côté histoire où on est potes avec le Joker. Je trouve ça trop bien. Genre, je sais pas si je l'ai lu dans d'autres Batman déjà ça, mais je trouve que c'est une trop bonne idée en vrai.
Got it. Damn it.
Ça me fait beaucoup rire. J'aime beaucoup.
Here, give me a hand with this, will you? I'm pretty sure this is how you get this thing started. Come on, come on, come on.
I could just buy you a car, you know, something with an actual key.
This works. It's just a matter of trial and error. Just one sec. There we go.
Don't turn around. All right, Wayne. You got my attention.
Voix vachement aiguë quand même. Hein?
Give me one good reason why I don't redecorate the windshield with your noodle. I bet a smart guy like you has some real pretty brains. Real bright. That's a pretty good reason. I like a guy who's good with his hands. I'm just joshing you, rich boy. See? There wasn't even a bullet in the chamber.
Un petit accent anglais.
Oops. Let's put some music on.
Bruce, this is the lady I was telling you about. Harley Quinn. Isn't she a hoot? I knew you guys would hit it off.
Oh, trust me, I'm laughing my ass off on the inside.
Oh, come on, Bruce. Harley was just kidding.
Oh yeah, I forgot. You probably don't like things that go bang too much. After that sad, sad way you lost your folks.
Ah.
Puddin' said you didn't want to meet. Now you want to. Bouncing around like a yo-yo don't exactly inspire confidence. What do you want with us? What do you get out of rubbing shoulders with the likes of us?
The agency is after us both. After the bombing, they've been sniffing all around Wayne Enterprises. We should work together to get them off our backs.
Sounds to me like you just bring more heat.
Bruce could be a real help to us, Harley. You should have seen how he took out this guy in the bar. Really got the heart racing. He's a force to be reckoned with.
Do us a favor, Pud. Skip over to that bodega and get me a slushie.
Bravo Dark Knight Uchiha pour le level up Kulainu et Mazalix.
I got it.
C'est moi ou elle veut le faire dégager? Oui, voilà, ouais. À mon avis, elle va prendre le volant, elle va vouloir se barrer avec nous.
John, he just doesn't know who he is yet. You know, he's searching. Highly impressionable.
Après, c'était sa psy, hein, je crois, à l'asile d'Arkham.
Thinks the world of you. So I asks myself, what's Bruce Wayne want with a lost soul like John? It's kind of a mismatch. Raises all kinds of
Bon,
questions.
on est amis.
John and I went through a lot in Arkham. He's a friend.
Oh, ain't that cute? You're sweet on little old puddin'. Here's the thing, lover boy. Guys like him don't have friends like you.
Ah, pas tort.
You got that look in your eye, the kind that says you're trouble. And I only like trouble when I'm the one causing it. You got a good reason why I should trust you? 'Cause I sure as hell can't see one. After all, you're a squeaky clean favored son of Gotham. How am I supposed to believe you won't run to the cops the first chance you get?
You shouldn't. You can't trust anyone. Not in our line of work.
Ain't that the truth?
Bonne réponse.
You're not what I expected. Still, you gotta show me you got what it takes to be part of our pact. Oh, gee, thanks, bud.
We gotta go. What were you guys talking about?
Your friend was just saying how much he liked you, Pud. Got a little man crush on ya. Ain't that right, Bruce?
On a tous un man crush.
Ain't that the gist of it?
It's the truth.
You just made my day, Bruce. I want you to know, the feeling's mutual.
Je sais pas s'ils me prennent tous les deux pour un con. Genre, et moi je rentre dans leur jeu et je suis encore plus con. Insupportable ce genre de gens.
God, that is the best damn slushie ever. Suck on that.
Suck on that.
I swear, it'll make your whole body shiver. Come on, put your lips on it.
La tête de Joker derrière.
Got cooties. Cross my heart.
No thanks, I'm good.
Ah oui, c'est pour Joker.
Yourself. I'ma pretend I ain't offended.
I'll try some.
Ouais, bah oui, parce on va pas pécho sa copine. Ça lui plaît pas au Joker.
Okay, here's what's going to happen now, Mr.
Ça se fait pas de draguer quelqu'un qui intéresse un pote.
From inside there.
Wayne Enterprises.
A little bird told me there's some pretty fancy hacking tech up there. Something called a phalanx key. Get it for me? I'll know you're on the level about the agency. Maybe I'll even vouch for you with the rest of the guys.
Ah.
What do you want with the phalanx key?
Why wouldn't I want it? I hear this thing opens half the security systems in Gotham. And it's just sitting there, hidden in your lab, waiting for someone to put it to use. What's the matter? You better not try nothing fishy. I don't want to have to splatter that pretty face.
It's okay, Harley. Bruce and I already talked. He'll do whatever you want.
Is that right? Will you do whatever I want? Will you jump when I say jump? Will you bring me the shiny things I ask for?
You don't have to worry.
C'est vrai qu'elle a l'air vachement intelligente.
Glad to hear it.
Elle a l'air vachement moins nunuche que dans d'autres adaptations de Batman.
Let's get moving.
Elle a limite l'air de contrôler le Joker dans le truc. Le Joker et Bruce du coup. Ah nous on est un peu obligés de suivre quoi.
You're on.
Je trouve ça assez intelligent.
Make yourself useful and get me that phalanx key. And
Ah, la manière dont ils font le truc, quoi.
Mama really wants to get herself some tacos when you're done.
Got this, Bruce.
Non, décidément, j'aime beaucoup... Décidément, j'apprécie beaucoup cette nouvelle saison. Déjà, le deuxième épisode me fait énormément envie. Enfin, j'aime beaucoup. Les idées qu'il y a dans ces épisodes-là, j'aime beaucoup. Ça change. Ça fait du bien.
Ah, Mr. Wayne. Yeah, if you could please sign in on account of the attack. So, what brings you in? If you don't mind me asking. Is everything okay?
Well, no rest for the weary.
Or for the wicked. You're all set, sir.
Dans sa tête, il se dit pas je vais faire une grosse dinguerie. Il y pense pas une seule seconde. Alors qu'en fait...
Excuse me, sir. Ma'am, this is private property.
The fuck?
You really ought to rethink your hiring practices, Bruce. Your man's lying down on the job.
What did you do to him? Is he still alive?
Don't worry. A little bump on the head never killed anyone. Going up, Brucey. This ain't your stop. Don't worry about your pal. He's gonna make it.
Bah, tu viens...
As long as you behave, that is.
Eh, c'est mes couilles, ça.
I go back and finish the job. The same goes for anyone else who gets in the way.
Elle est trop cool, Harley Quinn, je trouve.
Capiche?
Just go wait in the car. I can do this alone.
I don't think you're getting it. You ain't the one in charge. And you ain't the only one allowed to have fun. Didn't your mama ever teach you about Sharon?
Now that you mention it, no. She never had the chance.
Ah ouais, non mais super. On avait dit pas les parents, hein.
Keep it cool and no one else gets a dinger to the dome. Now buck up. We're all smiling.
Je suis d'accord avec toi, Rémi, ouais. De ouf.
There you go. You're looking like your billion-dollar self again.
Ah, super. Ah, c'était la meuf qui nous a fait chier avec le pingouin, je crois.
Oh, Bruce, I'm surprised to see you. And these are...
des amis venus du Nord. C'est des Lillois.
I don't believe we've met.
C'est des Belges.
Friends from upstate. They don't get to Gotham often.
Yeah, you know, we just couldn't.
J'aime beaucoup Harley Quinn. Hein.
Look inside this place.
Oh? You should have told me you were coming in. I'd have had facilities set up a tour.
Why don't you show us around? All we really want to see is the crater.
Je savais qu'elle a un marteau aussi. Elle a toujours eu un marteau, je crois. Mais... Enfin, ça dépend.
Is this some kind of joke?
Do I look funny to you? Like I'm some kind of punchline or something?
Excuse me?
You gonna let your employees sass me like that? Is this the kind of operation you run here? Your worker bees just mouth off whenever they want?
Leave her alone.
I ain't even gotten started.
I said back off.
Your friends don't suit you, Bruce.
You got a firm grip, Mr. Corporation. The kind that makes a girl go weak at the knees. Wanna show me what else you can do with those hands? We could carve out some alone time. Just you and little...
Pas une bonne idée, hein.
Tempting, but I'm pretty sure that would be a bad idea.
Yes, that would be a terrible idea.
Enfin, limite, j'ai de la peine pour le Joker, quoi.
Shut your pie hole, will you, John? You gotta learn to live in the moment.
Putain, mais limite, le Joker me fait de la peine, what the fuck? Mais what the fuck, le Joker me fait limite de la peine, quoi. Ça, c'est chaud. Mais c'est vachement chouette, hein, en vrai.
I get it, Brucey boy. Your secret lab ain't really...
Le fait qu'Harley Quinn soit plus intelligente entre les deux et qu'elle utilise son côté où elle était psychologue, etc. pour contrôler le Joker et tout, je trouve ça vraiment, vraiment bien. Il y a vraiment des bonnes idées.
Say, do you like chess? Work your magic.
Ah, et le pingouin lui a parlé, etc. Ok. Ouais, j'aime beaucoup aussi Scavax, mais est-ce que c'est vraiment un côté fait... Tu vois, est-ce que c'est pas fin, quoi? Est-ce que genre il fait pas exprès le Joker d'être comme ça? Je sais pas.
You know, I think you two are the closest friends I've ever had.
Non, vraiment, il y a de très très bonnes idées. L'épisode est tellement bien. Excusez-moi si je le sauce beaucoup, mais en vrai, j'adore l'écriture du jeu. J'adore le trio Bruce, Joker, tout ça.
I present to you our secret lab.
Lucius, you have seriously outdone yourself this time.
Glad you like it.
Like it? Oh, no, this changes everything.
It was getting a bit dodgy hiding all those batarangs in the Wayne Enterprise R&D wing.
Thank you, Lucius.
Come on. Now the real work starts.
Petit flashback avec Lucius, il s'en rappelle. Sad.
Somehow I was expecting more.
Where's the giant crater? I thought this was where your friend went out with a bang.
That was his office upstairs.
Better question. Where's the phalanx key?
It should be in the vault.
Well, what you waiting for, sweetie? Go get it.
Bon, elle est insupportable aussi, hein, mais... Attends, je vais chercher, je vais juste regarder si on peut regarder d'autres trucs en attendant. Ou pas, d'ailleurs. Si te permettent de bouger, j'imagine que c'est pas pour rien. Bon, si, c'est pour rien. Ils ok. Bah, tant pis. Elle va comprendre, elle va me faire un tour autour d'elle, elle va se dire mais qu'est-ce qu'il fait?
Lock protocol vault thumbprint required Lucius Fox. That's not right.
Trouver son doigt.
Why the lockout?
Ah, sa fille peut-être qui nous a foutu dehors.
What's taking so long, Bruce?
It's saying it won't open without Lucius's thumbprint.
And that got blown up with the rest of them, didn't it? Of all the dumb luck. You're saying we can't get it open then? Harley's not going to like that at all. Or you.
Let me try to find latent prints around here with my scanner.
Always thinking, this guy.
Ok, donc faut trouver des empreintes dans son labo de Lucius. J'imagine sa photo sur son bureau.
Dinner to celebrate Tiffany's first day at Wayne Enterprises. Sorry you didn't make it there, Lucius.
Il dit ça, bah oui, enfin en même temps, pas étonnant. Moi je pensais à la photo, ouais.
Alright, that's a start.
Ah, faut prendre plusieurs trucs pour recréer son empreinte, ok.
Getting there.
C'est vraiment un super mec, Bruce. C'est un peu un Superman.
One more partial print should do it. still unconscious. Hope he's not hurt too badly.
Tiens, le panneau d'imprimante peut avoir un truc dessus, je pense. Tout ce qui est clavier, tout ça, j'imagine.
Nope.
Donc voilà.
Not encouraging.
Je me suis baisé. Pas grave. Dérange pas. J'aime bien. Alors. On va ça, du coup. On dirait un truc de Goa'uld. Ah.
There we go. Okay, this will work.
On est bon, on est bon.
Now that's a shiny piece of metal. What's it do?
I'm not even sure if it works.
It's an EMP generator, Puddin'. Tell him what it does.
Ouais, non, elle le manipule, c'est sûr et certain.
It emits a pulse that knocks out other nearby electronic devices.
Who wouldn't want to try that?
Bah, évite de l'essayer ici, t'as pas vu tous les ordis qu'il y a? Réfléchis un peu, réfléchis là, réfléchis. Secours. Je voulais dire à celui-là.
Even now, still finding ways to help me. Stay there. Don't touch anything.
I touch what I want when I want, Brucey boy. You knew what's best for you. You'd quit giving orders and find me that key.
Looking for this.
Tiffany.
I told you I'd find out what you got my dad mixed up in. This is much worse than I thought.
C'est bizarre ce que j'allais dire, mais vu la caméra, vu l'angle de caméra et la mise en scène qu'on voyait, j'étais sûr que quelqu'un nous observait. Donc en vrai, je m'y attendais là pour le coup. C'est con, mais avec l'angle de caméra.
Your father worked with Batman. That's who all this stuff is for.
Batman. I knew it. His tech. Dad's fingerprints are all over it. I came looking for answers, but I didn't expect this.
Bruce.
These people you're with. I saw on the cameras what they did to that guard. To Regina.
They'll do the same to you, or worse. Get out of sight.
Bruce, what's taking so long in here, huh? Hey, I know you. We met at your father's funeral.
John.
Okay, Bruce, no need to get physical. I get it. We'll be as quiet as lab rats. But what about Harley? I mean, she's gonna want to know about your, friend here.
You don't have to say anything to her, John, okay? It can be our secret.
In Arkham, I was well known for my discretion. All the guards confided in me. I don't like lying to Harley, but I'll do it for you, Bruce.
Aww.
I really need is the Phalanx key. You give me that, I can go out there and, you know, make Harley happy.
You can have the key. Just leave Tiffany out of it, okay?
You mean this thing?
That's it?
You've got to be kidding, Bruce. You can't give these psychos anything from this lab.
Hey now, no need to get personal. We're all on the same side, remember?
J'essaie de balancer le chèvre et le chou. Ou la chèvre et le chou, je crois que c'est ça l'expression.
Now I need you to trust me. Please.
I better not see this on the evening news.
Thank you. This makes things so much better for
Salut Athéna.
Thank you, Tiffany. You made the right call.
Harley will be over the moon when I show her this.
Stay out of sight until we are long gone.
Ah, c'est bon, c'est cool.
Whatever. Bruce. You better know what you're doing.
Moyen. Je tâtonne. Je fais ce que je peux.
Took you long enough? I was starting to think you got sucked into a portal to another dimension or something.
Ça, c'est Stargate, ça.
You boys did good, you know? Made Mama proud. It don't look like nothing special.
You've got what you wanted. Now let's just get out of here.
Load that thing up too, John. I need it. Hurry it up.
Donc on est officiellement, c'est l'Arbin quand même, hein, sans problème. Bon, il continue à avoir ses tremblements. Alfred.
Bruce, are you all right?
I'm fine, Alfred.
I was keeping an eye on you over the security feed.
Ouais, je trouve qu'il fait de la peine aussi. Bon, ça reste le Joker, les gars, hein, ça se trouve, voilà, mais pour l'instant, il a rien fait de... Ça a l'air d'être... En plus, ça a l'air d'être le Joker du début, on va dire.
That you managed to keep both John and Tiffany quiet was a masterstroke, Bruce. Still, that young woman is smarter than both of us.
C'est l'idée Dark Knight. Enfin, après, je suis même pas sûr qu'il pense à ça, en vrai. Je suis pas sûr que... Est-ce qu'il pense à ça, je sais pas.
Lucius worked with Batman. But will that satisfy her? You know what she's like. She won't stop digging until she gets to the truth. Maybe we should just tell her.
I've always regretted not being more honest with you about your father's life. Don't make the same mistake I did.
Aussi honnête que possible avec elle.
Right. I'll be as honest with Tiffany as I can.
Very good. With regards to tonight's other catastrophes?
Your night watchman got a nasty lump on the head, but don't worry, he'll be fine. I've already arranged for him to get a generous payout and an extended vacation. And replaced tonight's offending security camera feed with dummy footage.
Yeah, thank you.
As for Regina, I'm afraid she's going to be curious about your friends from upstate. Your encounter there was too bizarre to be ignored.
After what went on, it'll be a challenge to smooth things over with her.
It's all coming so fast. One thing after another. I guess my worries are none of your concern. Understood. Bruce.
I know we agreed there was no better way to get to Bane, but this whole adventure with John and Harley, well, frankly, it's exhausting.
Ah. Je crois qu'on m'appelle. Toujours le sang Alfred, bien sûr. Mais bon, j'espère que ça va aller pour lui quand même, parce que... Ça a pas l'air d'être la joie au niveau du... Au niveau de la maladie. Ah, il y a les deux. Ils ok. Je suis sûr que par contre Gordon il va faire connard. Connard, Bruce, connard.
As long as it takes. You don't just call him like a dog.
There's a million more efficient ways of contacting him, but you do it like this.
Symbols are important. Just like principles.
This is a waste of my time.
You two are acting almost friendly. It's a strange sight.
Batman.
About time. Gordon, you're dismissed.
This is still my goddamn station house.
He's forgetting I'm the one who...
Bravo pour le level up cool ici.
You only remind me every other minute.
Clearly, I need a better method of getting the message across.
You're both behaving like children.
Watch your tone, Batman.
Well, what? You'll put him on timeout?
I've been lenient with you so far, but don't push me.
She's got some kind of leverage on you, doesn't she? If she's jammed you up somehow, just say the word. I'll appeal to the mayor, the governor, whatever it takes to get her off your back.
I'll do whatever
Je lui dis la vérité, j'en ai rien à foutre.
She knows who I am, Jim.
Oh yeah? Well, so do I. You're Batman. That's all you ever have to be. That's all Gotham needs you.
Putain, mais... Ah.
And you, if you're threatening to take that
Qu'est-ce que je l'aime.
Should be ashamed of yourself. I don't want to hear it.
Qu'est-ce que je l'aime.
Just supposed to come to Gotham, put the chains on Riddler and his gang, and get the hell out. I'm just saying this city gets under your skin. Fast. Know what I mean? Best laid plans and all that.
You didn't choose this profession because it's easy. You do the job, or you don't.
You're absolutely right. I guess you locals see it differently. Agent of Vesta. She fought to get on this assignment, you know? Wanted to see her old neighborhood. Wanted to see you.
Elle aime bien le Bruce. Elle aime bien le Batman.
She wanted to impress you. She admires what you do for the people of the city.
Does she know who I really am?
Who do you think told me who you are? For the world's greatest detective, you sure can be slow. My lab techs were able to replicate a dose of the venom serum from the vial Bane left behind at the police arsenal. But with a twist. It's actually a counter-agent.
Oh, l'antidote. L'ancien corps. C'est le Pfizer.
It'll flush the venom from his system, leaving him weak and exhausted. Could be useful.
C'est l'antidote à l'AstraZeneca.
So, Wayne Enterprises. Heard you made some new friends.
You're having me followed.
Thanks to you, these very bad people have an EMP and a key that'll open every lock I would want to keep bolted shut. They're clearly planning something. The stakes are too high to leave any.
Je suis sûr que tu le sais en vrai, Amanda. Tu sais tout, toi.
You know, I actually considered asking you to infiltrate Riddler's gang. Before everything blew up, I knew I could count on you to get me close to them. Close to Bane. You're good at this. Seems like you've already won Harley Quinn's trust.
Putting a tail on me jeopardizes the mission. Call it off.
You're right. I will.
Ah.
Get them away from their base of operations. Somewhere they'll be exposed. When they're all together, out in the open, contact me. I'll be standing by, ready to ambush. We'll take them down when they're at their most vulnerable. Sound good? They'll never know what hit them.
You need to involve Gordon.
Don't tell me how to run my operation.
His people know this city better than anyone.
And they have their hands filled with other priorities right now.
Ah, c'est ouf, hein, qu'elle veut tout faire toute seule. La meuf, elle vient à peine d'arriver, elle croit que c'est les vacances.
If it gets bad for you, just remember, we're out here. When you're in deep like this, you need friends. Let's say everything goes pear-shaped.
Oh là, t'es pas mon ami.
Get stuck in there longer than you'd like. Then what's right, what's wrong, it all gets blurry. And guess what? That's okay. Because you're going to have to do some blurry things that you're not proud of before this is done. You hear me?
Je travaille pas mon code, j'ai un Indo du ninja.
Go down.
I created Batman to strike fear into criminals, not become one.
Batman's not the one rubbing shoulders with them at the moment. You should think about which one Gotham really needs right now.
Est-ce qu'on va casser le code?
Vous y êtes? Au coin de... Bah, j'ai pas eu le temps de lire.
Just don't stay embedded any longer than necessary.
I'll be in and out, Alfred. Just long enough to figure out their plans.
Good luck, Bruce. Stay safe.
Je suis à fond dans cet épisode. Oh, un petit look mafieux là. Petit look mafieux là.
Alright. Here we go.
On est dans le nouveau Mafia là. Super. The fuck? Les gens nous attaquent comme ça, hein. C'est cool.
Hey now! Welcome to our little hideaway and home away from home, the end of the line.
More.
We're happy to have you.
Thanks, John.
You said you'd kill him after you got what you needed.
So what? Ain't a girl allowed to change her mind?
Could someone get me out of these handcuffs, please?
Tell me why I shouldn't kill you.
C'est vrai, Scavax? Écoute, moi je découvre.
Well, it seems like the Prince of Gotham is more like an empty suit.
En même temps, il est vraiment cool la saison 2. Pour l'instant, j'adore la relation Bruce-Joker-Harley, là, elle est vraiment chouette.
We don't need his money. We have what we need to finish this, thanks to me.
He ain't worthless.
Ouais, Rey Mysterio, tu te détends, hein.
You already got us an EMP device and the failing scheme. I'll betcha I can find a use for him.
I do not care how much.
Yakuza avec Dragon, tu m'as donné envie de le faire. Alors que je connais. Je connais pas, j'imagine, et j'ai jamais vu la saga. Ouais, non, mais il est insane, Yakuza aussi.
Whoopsie. What the hell?
Turn it off!
Turn it off! Now!
Can you do something about this?
It's Freeze. Freeze is coming. What have you done?
Ah merde! Ah merde, c'est ce qui a tué sa femme du coup?
You need to uncuff me.
Don't screw this.
Ah merde!
You fool!
I can turn it off.
Make it stop, or I will seal you both in ice. I swear, if you don't get that electricity back on immediately.
Ah non, schéma, allô, schéma, ça va être ça. En bas, ça va être ça. Et en haut, à droite, c'est où ça? En haut à droite, allô? Ah, c'est ça. Ah, c'est ça. Ah non, on est bon là. Ah, premier schéma réussi, il y en a un autre? Allô? Il y en a un autre? Allô? Ça va être ça. Ok. Et là, c'est ça. Là, c'est ça. Là, c'est ça. Là, c'est ça. Et là, c'est ça. C'était dur. Des bisous, Téliam. Merci à toi pour le lurk, c'était gentil. J'espère que ça va. Et beau travail. Hein. Tu travailles bien.
You may have impressed these two, but I haven't made up my mind about crushing your skull.
Fair enough.
Everyone back to work. There's still a lot to get done.
Who put you in charge?
Somebody has to give the orders.
Ouais, il est cool, ouais. J'aime bien Téliam. Moi, j'aime bien ce que tu fais de toute manière.
Come on up to my office.
C'est ça que je te paye, bien sûr. C'est ça que je te paye. Ah, sympa le...
Listen, Bruce. I just wanna clear the air a little.
Moi, je suis poupéophobe, hein.
You distanced yourself from us back at your office. I don't blame you after all the trouble I caused. You probably noticed.
Moi, je te paye, moi. Je suis Batman également. Et ça, faut pas le dire.
Well, it's made me more enemies than friends. I want to say I'm sorry for messing with your people. Your employees. I know they probably mean a lot to you.
Thank you, Harley. Your apology means a lot.
Really? You probably think I'm a terrible person, but I want you to understand. You've seen these animals I work with. In my business, you let your guard down for a second, you get torn to shreds.
I can only imagine.
I'm always pushing buttons. It's to keep people off balance, you know?
Alors même sans parler de ma thune, tu devrais quand même monter tes tarifs, je pense. Hein. Bon, après qu'on ait fait un contrat tous les deux, bien sûr, mais sur les anciens tarifs comme c'était prévu. Mais le prochain...
It's just a part of who I am.
I'll be honest, Harley, I wasn't sure what to make of you. I'm impressed.
I'm gonna take that as a compliment. But don't push your luck. You ain't like these others. Bane's a powder keg.
Version Eco Plus de Batman, bah super.
Well, you saw Freeze. John's sweet, and believe me, he's got heaps of potential. But he's still a growing boy. You, though, you got your head screwed on right. You're reasonable. I can work with reasonable. We're pulling a job tonight. I want you to be a part of it.
Des bisous, Telly. On fait le gangster man.
So what's in it for me? What's my cut?
What do you need a cut for? I thought you were in this to deal with the agency.
Ouais, mais si je peux gagner un peu de
You
thunes.
play ball with me, I promise you. They'll regret ever coming back to Gotham. As for what we're up to, all will be revealed eventually. Using that EMP, though, that's gonna make tonight's job a whole lot less messy. And that no-neck asshat Bane, he loves making a mess. People getting killed just makes his day. If you're gonna come with, you gotta convince the others.
Convince them?
It's a real pain in the ass sometimes, but you need a majority opinion for anything big. And bringing you along, well, you got some persuading to do. Let me know how I can help.
Bravo Célinia pour le niveau 15. Je ne pense pas que Bane m'apprécie. C'est quoi l'histoire avec Freeze? Oui, ça m'intéresse ça. Je sais pas, moi je connais pas Freeze. C'est qui ça? C'est une glace?
You mean why he's blue and wrapped up in machinery? Accident in the lab. Here's the thing about Freeze. Only thing he gives two hoots about is his wife. He gave up everything to try and save her when she got sick. And I mean everything. Job, health, soul, the whole shebang.
She's dead?
Frozen stiff. Keeps her on ice in the next room while he searches for a cure. Ain't that just kooky? I mean, it explains why he flipped when the EMP went off. But seriously, who does that?
I doubt his wife would approve if she realized what he's become.
She'd probably never want to wake up. Exactly.
So he'd be better off not getting what he wants.
You can say that again, but he might not want to hear it. Talking about his wife is the only way to get Freeze to pay attention to you. But watch yourself. His attention ain't always a good thing.
Je pense pas que Bane m'apprécie, hein. Parfum Bubblegum, je suis pas fan. Je suis pas fan hein, du Bubblegum.
Show me got those, and he'll come around. He's a man's man. I don't got much time for all that burly machismo, but sit him down for a beer or something. He'll hear what you gotta say. He may kill you when you're done, but at least he'll listen.
C'est tout? Rien d'autre? Super. C'est vraiment une belle conversation. Je sais pas si elle me fait confiance. Vous pensez qu'elle me fait confiance? Non, fais pas confiance. Ah oui, le mec tape. En fait, le mec, son sac de frappe, c'est des pneus. Pas bien.
Spirit of unity? Not really what I'm sensing from this group.
Ok. Fais confiance qu'au Joker, mais j'ai même pas l'impression. Hein. Elle peut manipuler le Joker, c'est ça qui lui va. Sinon, on va aller parler à Fries d'abord. Mr. Fries. Attends, après Freeze. Bon, c'était bien Freeze.
I don't have time to sort through all this. Not with him watching me.
On va parler à Freeze.
I heard about your wife, and I...
Allô? Regarde, j'ai fait start. Je suis un connard. Allô? Qu'est-ce qu'il me fait le jeu là? Excusez-moi. Ah!
What are you trying to pull? You'll answer me if you're smart and understand the concept of self-preservation.
I know pain. What it's like to lose a loved one.
I can't imagine anyone knowing anything like what I've experienced. But I do know of your family tragedy. Perhaps you may know what it's like.
What if you get caught?
Donc il a pas un pistolet, il a genre une combinaison qui glace les gens. D'accord.
What do you propose?
I own technology companies, Victor. Big ones. You could house and protect
Pareil,
continued research to cure her.
Why? Why would you do this?
It's what I do for my friends.
I don't have friends.
People, then. It's what I do for my people.
How very vague. I almost fell for it. You don't care about mine, Nora. You only care about yourself. An empty suit. The sooner you're gone, the better.
Il a pas l'air d'accepter ma propos, c'est pas grave.
What would Harley need with an EMP? I can't risk tampering with it.
Ils veulent attaquer quoi du coup? C'est une question intéressante. Aura-t-on une réponse? Non. Peut-être. J'espère. Ok, donc là-bas ça a l'air regardé, donc on s'en fout. Là, il y a bain. Oh, c'est la maison de... C'est la maison de Jean. Ah, on va aller voir Jean. Je suis sûr qu'il est triste en vrai. On va peut-être pas y aller tout de suite, je sais pas. Mais il a des photos de moi.
Hey buddy, it's always so good to see you.
Il a plein de photos de moi.
So good.
Always good to see you, John.
I've been wanting to say, Bruce, thanks for helping me out before at your office and making me look good.
Hey, I'm just glad everything worked out.
Did it ever? Handing that key over to Harley, giving her what she wanted. Pure ecstasy. It was a big moment for me. I should have known right when we pinky sweared that everything would work out great.
Harley wants me to try to get in good.
Il fait des beaux selfies quand même. Hein.
Freeze.
I think you're well on your way to doing just that. And I've been doing, you know, what I can to help too. You didn't catch it? It looked like Bane might kill you. I set off that EMP.
C'est ça, hystérien.
You know, as a distraction. Thought it might give you a chance to show off your technical skills in front of Freeze. That's the only thing I think he really.
T'aurais pas dû prendre ce risque pour toi.
Look, I had it handled, John. That was nice of you, but I didn't need the help.
Sure. And wouldn't you know it, you nailed it. You already know I like you, Bruce. You better get cracking on getting those other guys to like you too. Because I don't want to have to watch what happens if they don't.
Ok. Donc je peux regarder les photos, c'est ça l'idée. Espace vide, pourquoi?
Did you have one here?
Oh, that spot was for Batman.
You like Batman.
What's not to like? I only saw him for a second in Arkham, but... Oh man, I'd love to see him again.
Oh, il est fan de Batman. Putain, mais j'aime beaucoup l'écriture du Joker dans le jeu. C'est drôle qu'il se replace à chaque fois pour regarder des trucs.
Think she really brightens up the room. 1,000-watt face.
How'd you two meet?
Same way you and I met. In Arkham. She found me at a dark time and gave me a reason to live out here and experience all this. I don't see how we aren't destined to be together. It just wouldn't make any sense.
On est d'accord qu'il a un petit problème quand même, hein, le monsieur, mais bon, lui on veut pas.
Priska.
Now, Bane loves that beer.
C'est cette vie de la gênance, ouais.
I bought some for when I need to talk to him. He's scarier than anybody in Arkham.
Cette envie incroyable de bromance avec Batman me rappelle vraiment Lego. Oui, oui, exact. Ouais, dans Lego, il y a vraiment un côté effectivement bromance entre tous. Enfin, entre le Joker et Bruce, pardon. Effectivement. Très sympa d'ailleurs. Le film Lego Batman, il est vraiment chouette. Et on va aller parler à la brute épaisse qui a voulu nous casser le cul. Ou la tête, dépendamment d'eux. Hop. Le Mexicain, le cacheur. Rey Mysterio. Non mais c'est vraiment ça en fait, c'est vraiment un catcheur professionnel, d'accord. Il y avait un mec je crois dans... Comment ça s'appelle? Dans Jackie Chan, El Toro de Fuerte ou un truc comme ça. Qui me rappelle beaucoup du coup Bane dans le jeu. Là.
Just thought you looked thirsty.
Une bière, ça casse toujours un peu le mur entre les gens.
Please, come. Riddler, he bombed your building and killed your friend. Someone did that to me. I'd bomb their building, kill their friend. As Riddler's friend, I have to know, are you here for payback? Did you come for revenge? Answer me, or I will break you in half.
Riddler is dead. Any revenge I wanted, I already got.
He did not deserve such an end. But you have a point. In this line of work, one cannot be too careful. Trust has been the hardest thing to find. Especially after Riddler's
death. On essaye. Ah bon, c'est passé. En vrai, j'ai eu peur.
Men you can trust. So hard to find.
J'ai eu peur que ça passe pas, mais bon.
He was with my crew at the police arsenal. Bane! The prisoner he was supposed to be guarding got away. And yet he doesn't have a scratch on him.
This is crazy!
I suspect we have a traitor among us.
Among Us, ça y est, on y est. Ils ont... C'est partout ce jeu. Ils ont foutu le jeu partout.
Loyalty is all that we have.
Casse du genou là.
There can be no trust unless I can believe that you are who you say you are, and that you are really.
Ah merde, il veut que je lui casse le genou.
All that you claim. Only one of you walks out of here.
Ah.
The sooner one of you picks up that pipe.
Bon, en vrai, c'est un bandit, donc autant lui casser la gueule. Hein.
Sooner we get this over with.
Fine. I'll prove it.
On lui casse la gueule, je suis désolé. Hein. Ça reste un... Et il le mérite, ça reste un truand. Et autant rentrer dans le truc. Hein. J'ai pas cassé code, je l'ai pas tué. He's okay.
What's going on?
The job we've been getting ready for. It's happening.
Good. I'm ready.
Not so fast, the
En vrai, ça va.
You're not in the pact. Not yet. Not till everyone votes. What do you say, boys? Bruce Wayne. In or out?
Ah, je viens de lui casser la gueule.
Aristocrat is not afraid to dirty his hands. I say we add him to the pact. In.
Wayne is as shallow as his reputation would lead you to believe. He would only drag us down. Out.
Bruce is strong and smart, handsome, like.
Est-ce que si on avait été différent avec lui et avec Freeze, ça aurait donné autre chose? Genre si on avait été clément et si avec Freeze on lui avait proposé autre chose? Je sais pas.
We got a majority, folks.
Bruce is in.
Okay.
You've earned a ticket to ride, pal.
Make sure that EMP shielding is on those APCs. I don't need any surprises. Time to get that package.
Remember, when we work together, no one can stop us. When we work together, the world can be ours! Let's go!
Somebody grab that thing, it's important.
Let's go hit him with the hind!
Moi j'ai voté X, le compromis tu m'aides, je t'aide. Hein. J'ai voté X, le compromis tu m'aides, je t'aide. On verra bien ce qu'ils veulent, hein.
Wayne, we are close. Make your device ready.
Will do.
Okay.
EMP primed and ready to go.
Harley,
Yeah, what?
we have almost reached the target vehicle.
What?
No. You are providing our escape.
Waller, on the move with targets. Track this signal. Get your people here, now.
We've got your signal locked. Cavalry is on the way.
Now we do this.
Imaginez, ils attaquent le Manor Wayne. Hein.
Wait, what in the... I gotta say, Bruce, now that we're actually here and it's really happening, I'm feeling some butterflies in my stomach.
We have an obstruction ahead, both lanes. Armored vehicles. Service weapons at the ready. Do not engage.
Now, Wayne, do it!
Ah, c'était pour ça. D'accord. Allez, c'est parti.
What was that? What the hell is going on?
HQ, do you copy?
My gun, it's fried.
All comms are down.
Move!
J'espère qu'on a tué personne.
Carry the torch, Mr. Suit. Stay sharp. Secure the vehicle.
Stay down.
L'autre, il peut faire la Reine des Neiges sur quelqu'un en 2 secondes. Hein. Bah, ça évite qu'il le tue, hein. Je préfère le frapper.
Freeze! Open the door. Everyone, stay sharp and keep order. Allow no sudden moves and no talk.
Strike it. Go on, quickly. You're wondering what's in there.
Un petit peu.
Back off, or I'll shoot.
No! No! No!
Don't.
Break it out!
We don't have time for this. We're not done here, Wayne.
I would not turn my back on him. I'll leave this cleanup to you, but hurry. Men, seize the cargo.
Get out of here.
Attends, c'est quoi? C'est un cercueil ce truc? What the fuck? Oh merde!
Waller here. Let them have it, Wayne.
What are you talking about?
The package. Let them have it. It's not worth my agents' lives.
Non mais elle les baise. C'est un truc qu'elle voulait. C'était un truc qu'elle voulait, c'était sûr. C'est sûr que c'est un truc qu'elle voulait. C'était un truc qu'elle voulait et elle bossait avec eux, c'est sûr.
Damn it. We can fix this all later. For now, just move it. Waller out.
I don't want to hurt you, but I will blow your heads off if you make me eat concrete. Lights out!
Put out that fire on it!
I'm gonna play whack-a-mole with their heads.
It's a warrior's death!
Je sais pas. Je sais pas. Ah. Oups.
Lights out!
Put out that fire on it!
I'm gonna play whack-a-mole with their heads.
It's a warrior's death!
Je sais pas, je vais aller pour... Bane, on est devenu pote avec, quoi. Bane, allez. Oh! Il lui a fait un elbow drop, descente du coude, paf! Damn!
Harley! Need to leave now! Fine. Forget you.
You have gotta be...
La musique est vraiment cool, ouais. Mais c'est quoi? C'est un cercueil le truc, on dirait? Qu'est-ce qu'il peut y avoir dedans? C'est sûr, non, mais c'est sûr, c'est un cercueil. Il faut revenir Madara Uchiwa.
How could we leave her? We need to get Harley now.
Impossible. She's dead. Or in jail.
So we break her out.
And if she's dead?
You better hope she's not. We have to help her. She'll be expecting us. She needs us.
We'll get her back, John. I promise.
Great. Let's go.
Pas maintenant.
Right now.
We don't have time to waste on her.
But
That's enough. Save your breath. We have the cargo. Let's get this over with.
Et c'est quoi? C'est un cercueil, ça? Ça, j'ai envie de savoir ce qu'il y a dedans.
This Bane.
Forget him. We have a job to do. This key is yours, no?
C'est une clé pour ouvrir le cercueil de Lucius Fox.
Open the box. Be quick.
Oh damn, attendez, je mets ma caméra parce que j'attends de voir ce que c'est. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Mais les gars, c'est un cercueil, 100% sûr.
It is sad to see a legend so, but there is no other way. At least now, we finally have everything we need. Riddler will open the path to us, once the thief brings the last piece.
I'll open any path you... for the right price.
J'en ai des frissons. Sur la vie de ma mère, j'en ai des frissons. Insane! Oh là là, c'était tellement bien. C'était tellement bien. Vous voyez, 99% des joueurs ont laissé Waller se sentir déboussolé. Elle a été frustrée quand vous lui avez demandé de considérer Gordon. Elle est satisfaite que vous l'ayez appelé, et elle plutôt que Gordon. Comme vous avez accepté le travail, elle est avec elle pendant qu'elle est sous couverture. Votre relation avec Waller est positive, ok. Vous et 80% des joueurs ont laissé Gordon... Vous avez laissé Gordon se sentir inquiet? Ok, bon, au moins il est inquiet pour nous. Vous et 39% des joueurs avaient laissé John se sentir triste. Ah merde! Comme vous avez laissé tomber Harley. Oh non! Putain, en fait c'était ça! Genre si on était allé... Ah, si on était allé... Ah, si on était allé vers... Si on était allé vers Harley, on aurait sauvé Harley. Et là, on a sauvé Bane à la place. C'est la merde. Hein. Oh non. Oh, je suis bête, j'aurais dû penser, mais t'as tellement pas le temps. Aïe 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 aïe. On a laissé Alfred se sentir stressé. Il était mécontent que vous lui avez dit comment s'occuper de Regina. Votre conversation dans le petit salon l'a lessivé. Ok. 80% des joueurs ont laissé Tiffany se sentir inquiète. Ok. 50% des... Ah putain, c'est serré, hein. Damn. Donc 50% des joueurs ont décidé de... Enfin, ont réussi à obtenir la clé. 50,1%. On fait partie des 28% qui ont appelé Waller au lieu d'appeler Gordon. Ok. On a suivi le convoi. On a fait le serment, 95% des joueurs, ok. Ok. Eh bah écoutez. Bah c'était très cool. On va en discuter un peu avec le chat vite fait après la vidéo, après la fin de l'enregistrement de la vidéo YouTube. Et comme pour les autres épisodes, on n'a pas de next week on Batman machin, on n'a pas dans le prochain épisode de Batman tout ça. En tout cas, épisode 3 s'appellera Masque brisé, alors que la pression pour découvrir l'attaque imminente sur Gotham ne cesse de s'intensifier. Bruce doit jongler avec sa double identité et ses relations avec ses nouveaux alliés. Et bah c'est trop bien. Vraiment. Du coup, Selina Kyle revient dans le jeu. On verra bien ce que ça donne, sachant que la dernière fois qu'on l'a vue, on lui a quand même dit je t'aime. Elle nous a laissé comme un sac à merde tout seul sur le bord de la route. En mode on se reverra sûrement jamais, salut mon pote quoi. On verra bien. Nous on continue un petit peu le live. Et en attendant YouTube, je fais des bisous. Salut YouTube, j'espère que t'as aimé l'épisode. Salut YouTube. Oula, la transition ce fut longue. Merci, n'hésite pas d'ailleurs à venir sur la chaîne Twitch, twitch.tv/MonsieurIdan, ça nous fera plaisir. N'hésite pas à laisser un like, un tweet, tout ça, partager la vidéo et tout, ce serait cool. Et merci, j'ai passé un bon épisode. Et bisous YouTube.